What we have here is the Webb 41cm push lawnmower. Webb lawnmowers, built, quality, loaded with features, but affordable. So what we've done is put the Webb range together so that you have the best quality machines at the very best price. What we have on our Webb 41 is a 132cc Webb engine developed by us specifically for the Webb. A 4-stroke engine giving you real power. To start the machine, it really is so easy. 3 presses of the primer button, hold the safety lever, and your engine is going to start. That easy. It really is so simple. The height of cut on your 41 Webb really is so simple. One lever moving that whole machine from 25mm to 75mm really does give you that variation. The longest to the shortest of cuts. The job really is so easy with that one lever. The grass collection on your Webb 41 really is excellent. This mesh bag letting the air through but not the grass, collecting every blade, and 45 litre capacity here. This really is a grass box you don't have to empty that often. It is a good size. Fitting it could not be simpler. It just hooks on to the machine. It's that easy. If you want to use the Webb 41 without the grass collector, just leave that flap, leaving the grass on the lawn in the summer months if you want to do that. What we have on the Webb 41 also is we have this solid steel blade. And this angle of this blade, what that does for us on the Webb is give absolutely first-class grass collection. This is causing a vortex in the deck here, pushing that grass right to the back of the grass box. Folding the handles, again, couldn't be simpler. Just undo the wing nut. And this is a nut that will not come off of there, and so you're not going to lose it. And then the handle folds so simply, making it so compact really is a bonus. What we've also done with the Webb 41 is we've put bearings in the wheel so they turn very, very easily. So this machine really is easy to push. Quality all through this machine.